How to enable multi-snap. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now click on open. Now tap on your profile, go to settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on logout. Now relog in your account. If this doesn't work, go back to the home screen, open up your settings application and search for your application. Now tap on app management and find Snapchat. Now click on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now restart your application. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.